Yeah. These niggas got me back on my bullshit, T. Fuck all that popcorn shit, nigga. It's New Yitty. Yeah. I ain't a killer, I just bust a lot. And even when I'm touring, still got the money to get you sucker shot. These niggas wanna be juggernauts, stay hard head. So I'll point the Cyclops at it, shorty, then bucket shot.
What it is, man, DJ Shuttle, Rick DeVille.
Yeah, we here, baby.
Industry Takeover Volume 1. We coming, Strong Out, what up?
What up, L.I. Hunt, boy Rick, nigga, Strong Out, Gold, shout Prince, get the shout right here,
you know what it is, DJ Shuttle, Team Incredible. It's going down, man. Industry Exposure, Industry Takeover Volume 1. Look forward, man, dropping in a minute. New York minute, you heard?
L.I. minute, you heard?
L.I. minute, I feel like that's what it is.
Real L.I. minute, baby, that's dropping. You know what I'm saying? Your boy Rick DeVille, DJ Shuttle, we here, nigga. Look out for that Go Off and that Duck single on it, you heard?
Nigga, Paul Merrill. Haters look at my sneakers, then they get more jealous. These rats see how we moving and they gon' start telling. Yeah, more money, more problems. Nigga, no money, no problem. Nigga, and we rich in these streets. Y'all the ones who tryna stop a nigga flee. So when you see me, better duck, nigga. Duck, nigga. Duck, nigga. Duck, nigga. Where we from, you call the fuck, nigga. Type of nigga that be lowering my high, make me pull a him out and let it
DJ Shuttle, all aboard.